Very good news. We have a gift package from our about 2 years hard working with many different scientists from all over the world. And this textbook is about green chemistry, which is very useful for many different devices. Okay, so let us open it. It is just arrived today from Germany, I think so. The Springer Nature, the best #1 publishing company in the world. Okay, wow, I get 2.
Wow.
Cool.
Cool.
So I can give 1 to Rector. Oh, 3. Wow.
Wow.
Okay. 3
Kenapa?
books. Wow. I'm so lucky. 3 books. Okay, and this is I give as a section editor of this book. Okay, this is the documents about the price about the cost to send to be here around $90. 90 euro, very expensive. And this is 3 books, so I can donate 1 to Rector, 1 for our faculty, and 1 for me, of course. Okay. I'm very excited. This is my first time high quality book as a section editor. And this is my the best book from Springer Nature. Okay, so this is the title of the book, Encyclopaedia of Green Materials. The editor is Professor Chinapan Bhaskar, our friend from India, and Professor Siram Ramakrishna is the best scientist at NUS from engineering faculty. And he also, I visited his lab, a very excellent nano center over there, and another Professor Daniela La Rosa. Okay, so let's open the book. This book for me, and this another 2 will be for Rector of Patimura University and from faculty. Let's open my books. So let's see my parts inside as a section editor. I edited a few articles in our chapter. Okay, so this is content, and let's take a look. Okay, so this is the content list of topics. There's some section, and this section has the art editor, and I am the section editor here in the green material for battery. You see, section editor Dr. Hendry, and there are 4 papers over there, and this perpetual voltage control with flexible thin battery from green garbage material is contributed from our laboratory. And let's take a look the inside of the paper. So your audience can see not only we work as a section editor, but also we contribute our best research data to make this book become high quality. Check in the here the picture. See the section editor picture? Here is mine. Here. It's a profile of the section editor. Among another section editor. And also this is the main editor, email editor. This is Prof. Bhaskar, Prof. Siram, and Prof. De La Rosa. See this our contributing paper. very high quality book, the current discovery of the green materials. So this is the Encyclopaedia of the green materials. Check again and again. Okay, here the content, the list. So this material, green materials. Let me sign here. Today is 14 March 2025. The time is around 13:44 p.m. Okay, cool. So this is our paper here about perpetual contributing authors. I'm so happy. It's our first time to have a book in the world-best Springer Nature. Springer Nature publishing company is the best publishing company in the world. All the nature journals like Nature Photonics, Nature Physics, Nature Chemistry, Nature Nanotechnology, all in this publishing company. With my paper that we contribute here with our section. High quality books. Okay, so after checking it, I realized that this is only one book, but there are 3 volumes. Volume 1 from A to F, Volume 2 G to H, and Volume 3 is I to C. So this is only one book. So that means this whole book belongs to me. No need to give to the others. So because we developed from here, so it will be a good example to this institution of Patimura University, because according to the vision and mission of our rector, to be world-class university. Okay, so there's no wonder I try to find out on my work. This will be based on the name. So hopefully in this following tool we'll get our work there. The job for you. I will see. Okay, so this will be a very good experience as a scientist. We can share this video later to our composition followers and friends around the world. Let's check our work, hopefully here. Marvelous to have this one. And work. Okay. Check again. Let me check here. What does it mean? A stands for the title or for the author name. The topic, so about the topic. So we are about P, perpetual voltage control. So P should be here. It's I to C. Perpetual P. Okay, here. Okay, get it. Okay, this is our work. I'm so happy to find our work here in the page around here. 1577. Wow, 1577. 77 stands for Christ or Curious or Savior. Amazing. If alpha is 1, beta is 2, omega is 24, so Curious is exactly 77. Just like Christ is A is 1, B is 2, and Z is 26. Christ is exactly 77. So, okay. In this our work, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 authors. I'm the first one, Freddy from Canada, Rahman, Randy, and Patiprohi. Angel is our alumnus from this lab. Okay? Okay, so this is about the journey, the development of the battery from the traditional one until current. It proved very dramatically recently in this 21st century. And this is our thin flexible battery, where we can control the voltage of the battery based on the bending of the tin. This battery is water resistant, and its tin is about 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is the application. We can use it to like absorb, absorb. The bending can be used from the wind. Wind can make it bend, and then after bending, the voltage that created from the bending can be stored in the battery storage. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. Thank you for enjoying our happiness today in this one book with the threefold. Wow, the best book so far. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, Pak.